News, things were mild outside. It was like 55, 56 degrees.
Yeah, we hit 59 today.
Wow.
In Portland. It was a record for us. It tied a record set back in 19.
So it was almost like a springtime day, but I noticed tonight we're already like at 45.
Down into the mid-40s. Yes, say goodbye to the 50s. We're not going to see that tomorrow, and it's not going to happen anytime soon. I know. It was almost 60. We almost got to say goodbye to the 60s. But yeah, it's going to be a big cool down tomorrow, and of course, before that even gets here, we're dealing with more rain. It's quiet out there right now, and that's how we started last night, but then boy, did it come down, and it's really slowed down that morning commute. So a heads up, the same thing will likely happen tomorrow morning, so you'll want to get up early and check in with Sally and Carly and allow for some extra time. So heavy rain develops tonight, sticks around through Friday morning, then we get to the second half of the day, and unlike today, we're going to have to watch for some intense showers to form with possible hail and even thunderstorms. So we'll be watching these really closely tomorrow afternoon. So it will play out a little differently than it did today because of that cold air moving in. And then temperatures, of course, taking a dip with that. And that means more mountain snow. And so, of course, we have those winter weather advisories in effect for tomorrow through Saturday morning for the Cascades. We're getting rid of the rain and we're changing back to snow. So some good news there. So round 2 is rolling on through, and we're tapping into that really deep moisture down from the tropics, just like the last system. So expect some intense rain. Most of the activity now well to our south, so it'll take us time getting here, but it will arrive by the time we get into the morning hours. It will start off fairly mild for the Cascades. When you wake up in the morning, we'll likely have rain, but we are going to be looking at snow levels lowering, and we're going to be looking at 6 to 12 inches of snow moving in by the time we wake up Saturday morning, and we'll have the potential to pick up more snow both Saturday and Sunday thanks to this unsettled weather and the very cold conditions that will persist. And by tomorrow night, snow levels down to 2,500 feet. So this will be great for the ski resorts, but tough for travel. So make sure you're careful with that. 6:30 in the morning, widespread rain around. We have rain and snow coming down for the Cascades. By the time we get to the lunch hour, that steady rain has moved out, and this is when we're going to be watching for those showers and thunderstorms that pop up that could be on the intense side with hail and gusty winds and those downpours. So that'll happen in the afternoon, and then we'll continue with that potential for on and off showers through the evening hours and even overnight. We wake up Saturday, the first half of the weekend, still unsettled with snow showers for the Cascades and on and off shower activity for the metro area. So we'll find dry time here and there, but we will have wet time too to deal with for the Saturday. So Saturday looks fairly wet at times. We go into Sunday and things really calm down. So the second half of the weekend, definitely the drier half, but it could be the coolest with highs struggling to even get out of the low 40s Sunday afternoon, and lows from starting tomorrow night will be down into the 30s each night through a lot of next week. So right now 45 degrees. It feels chilly. I think we got a little bit spoiled by the warm temperatures, and that's where we'll stay as we head through the overnight hours. We'll wake up to that rain in the morning. Rain continues through 10 a.m. then showers, possible thunder, and highs only in the upper 40s tomorrow afternoon for the coast. Low 50s. It'll be gusty again tomorrow with that front pushing through, but not as windy as today. We had some really strong gusts overnight last night, and then we'll see rain totals right around ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch there. We'll try to pick up ½ inch or more for the valley, so it's going to be another wet one. Central and eastern Oregon, rain to begin with, and it mixes in with some snow by tomorrow night, but very scattered. And then for the Cascades, we're looking at rain and snow, but quickly changing over to snow. I think 4 to 8 inches lower down, but I think up top we can see 6 to 12 inches by the time we get to Saturday morning. So we'll be looking at more snow picking up through the overnight hours, and it'll be wet through the gorge. We could pick up ½ an inch of rain there too. Southwest winds kicking in for the mountains, by the way, gusting to 40 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. So here's your 7-day forecast. A wet day tomorrow, upper 40s, 45 Saturday, still fairly wet at times. Sunday, fewer showers, and then Monday, just a slight chance, but highs stay in the mid-40s, lows down into the 30s. So tomorrow we're kind of re-racking, but the difference is we're going to have to watch out for intense showers during the day instead of getting to enjoy all the sunshine like we saw today. So
that's all right.
We'll be watching that closely.
Thanks, Kristen.
Hey.